Welcome back. Now the Forms app has within it a process called branching. And if you go to the very top and you click the three dots and you click branching, what we can have the questions do is we can have the questions send an individual to a certain place. In this case, you'll see that the options are either to go to the next question or to the end of the form. Go to the next question or the end of the form. So we're going to add in a few questions so that you can understand how this might work. So now there are 4 questions in the quiz. So we can look at the branching aspect. So we can go to this more from settings and we can click branching. And we can determine that if the person answers true, we can send them perhaps to question 3. If the person answers false, we can send them to question 2. We can then move on to the next question, and we can branch them from this question. They answer one thing, we can send them to the end of the form. They answer something else, we can send them to the next question. Branch from short answer, and we can also branch from the final answer. Now the key is understanding that we actually will get the results and we'll get a summary of these results. Now although Microsoft Forms did not analyze the results, we will have a good picture of what the data is telling us. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.